Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Threads application in your Windows laptop or PC, and this method works for both Windows 10 and 11. So first you are going to type here in the search and you are going to type store. You will find the first option, Microsoft Store. You click open, and then after the application is opened, here in the search bar you are going to type Threads. You just click here, and as you can see there is the application, the official one. You click here and then you just press the button get, and the download will start, and after it finishes the application will be completely installed in your laptop. You can just open it and log into your account. And after you finish, if you didn't find it here in your desktop, you just can click also in the search, and this time you search for Threads, and you can create either a shortcut for the desktop view, or you can just pin the application to the taskbar and you will find it here just right next to those applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.